I was part of a beautiful project called the Three Yiddish Divas with Theresa Tova and Adrienne Cooper, all of a shalom, and we had a really wonderful time putting together this material because the Yiddish material isn't just one thing. Tova came from a really jazzy place, and Adrienne was really, she did a lot of things, but one of the things that she really wanted to explore was a lot of the art song and a lot of the classical sounding stuff, and I was doing a lot of Yiddish theater. And to see these three women coming together, and we did translations of pop tunes sometimes, and we sang together on any number of different Yiddish songs. And we had a really wonderful rapport with each other, and we were very maternal with each other. So I know that what we put out on the stage was really terrific, but traveling with these women, and we very often were able to travel with Marilyn Lerner as well. So you have these four Yiddish divas traveling the world. We went to Poland, we went to Vienna, we were in Canada, we were in San Francisco, to be able to experience the world from this perspective with these sisters, like with these three Yiddish sisters, was really, really wonderful. And so that project is kind of on hold right now. But Adrienne still continues to inspire me. And I will say that Adrienne was a huge mentor to me. I'm sure she was a mentor to a lot of people. But I would literally go into Adrienne's office and sort of, all right, listen, I need help with this and this and this. And like those little corners that turned, literally I would say, I don't know how to do that. And she's like, oh, yeah, you do. But you know how to do this and this and this. I'm like, well, yeah. She goes, well, then just do this. And now you're done. I was like, how did you know that? And I didn't know that. So that was kind of amazing.